if you're looking to manage your account settings on Coinbase, including disabling automatic restrictions, follow these steps to ensure your account operates smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings menu. This is usually found in the profile or account section, often represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Access security settings. Within the account settings, find the security settings option. This section contains various features related to account security and restrictions. Step 4. Review automatic restrictions. Look for the section that discusses automatic restrictions. Here, you will find information about any current restrictions and options to manage them. Step 5. Disable automatic restrictions. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, you should have successfully disabled automatic restrictions on your Coinbase account. Always remember to monitor your account for any changes and maintain security best practices.